Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. So, today we will do reference to context questions. Reference to context questions. One paragraph is given in your book. Paper has more patience than people. Paper has more patience than people. And the last is a bit of difference. A bit of difference. So, these are the questions you have to find out in your book. First question is, when did Annie remind herself that paper has more patience than people? Our first question, again I am repeating. When did Annie remind herself that paper has more patience than people? Our second question is, explain. Paper has more patience than people. You have to explain first line. Our third question is, what kind of girl was Annie at that time? And four options are here. First is quarrelsome, second is intelligent, third is indecisive, and the fourth one is determined. Our next question is, what was Annie brooding? And our options are that she was lonely. Second, that she was not loved. Third, that whether, the third one is whether to stay at home or go out. And the fourth option is what her real mission was. So these are the four questions, and these questions you have to find out, and you have to find out these questions from paragraph. Paper has more patience than people, to a bit of difference. So next we will continue our chapter. Four questions were given in oral comprehension check, and I have given you yesterday to do these questions. So first question was, why was Mr. Kissing annoyed with Annie? What did he ask her to do? And the answer will be, Mr. Kissing was annoyed with Annie because she talked too much in his period. As a punishment, he asked her to write an essay on the topic chatterbox. Second question, how did Annie justify her being a chatterbox in her essay? The answer will be, she justified her being a chatterbox. She wrote that talking is a student's trait. He further wrote that it was an inherited trait in her, as her mother talked too much and she could do nothing to it. Our third question, do you think Mr. Kissing was a strict teacher? And the answer will be no. We don't think that Mr. Kissing was a strict teacher. Our fourth question was, what made Mr. Kissing allow Anna to talk in class? And our answer will be, Mr. Kissing was trying to play a practical joke on Anna. He had given a funny topic to Anna to write an essay on it. She wrote it in a poem. It was a beautiful poem. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with three baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they talked too much. Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. He could not help praising Annie's ingenuity. As a result, he allowed Annie to talk in class. So, now we will discuss next questions. What makes diet? So, our next questions are, was Annie right when she said that the world would not be interested in the musings of 13-year-old girl? The answer will be no, she was not right when she said this. This work became very popular, translated into many languages. There have also been several films, television and theatrical production based on diary. It has been described as the work of a mature and insight mind. Next question. There are some examples of diary or journal entries in the before you read section. Compare these with what Anne writes in her diary. What languages was the diary originally written in? In what way is Annie's diary different? And the answer will be, Annie's diary is different. She poured out her heart in it. It was originally written in Dutch language. Next question. Why does Annie need to give a brief sketch about her family? Does she treat Kitty as an insider or an outsider? Annie needs to give a brief sketch about her family, since no one will understand a word of her stories to Kitty if she plunges right in. She treats Kitty as an insider. So, 3 questions are discussed in the class, and the next questions we will discuss tomorrow in the class. So, you will do it in your notebook. Thank you very much.